right, so today we're taking a look at a new portable smart projector with some cool features. It's from Samsung. The packaging, very exclusive, marketing sample, not for sale. So this is an early look. Look how portable this thing is. Look at that. This is the projector. I believe they're going to be making cases for this, waterproof cases for this, so you can take it with you on the go and kind of create a party wherever you happen to be. They're going to be creating as well a socket functionality, so you can insert this into lamps. So your typical light socket, and then just point it wherever you like. It will deal with the variety of angles. It will just automatically gauge the surface that it's pointing at and then project an optimal image for that surface up to 100 inches. On top of that, it has 360-degree audio built into it as well. The device is smart. You're going to be able to launch your streaming apps and watch your content directly on it. You do have a tiny little micro HDMI port on there as well. There's also a switch for a built-in microphone, and then of course there's a USB-C port directly underneath that. This is your USB-C cable. Interestingly, it's a right angle connector on one side. This is pretty cool. It also looks like it has mounting points, possibly for wall mounting if you choose to. Oh, wow. All right, so that is covering up your lens. Top of the device here actually looks to have some touch buttons. So you've got power, probably volume up, down, and there is a remote actually right over here. So a very simple and obviously portable remote to go with it to keep the entire package small. Netflix, Disney Plus, Samsung TV Plus, and Prime Video. Volume up and down, some channel buttons, home, and then this circular touchpad in the middle here for navigating your content. It is a smart projector, so everything you're used to in a smart TV is going to be inside this tiny little package. And then another key, this microphone input, since typing things on a screen from a distance on a tiny remote, not the most ideal, and this is going to charge up over USB Type-C as well.
The volume button.
Cool. Like if you just want to have a window.
Mm-hmm.
If the view in your room is not very cool, you can do one of these instead. You have scenery that you can set up, like a mountain, for example, but it looks like a window. Kind of tricks you. With the window frame there, you start to, you think you're looking at a mountain. These cinemagraphs move. So how about this, which is some snow going on, and you might like this. See, look at this. I think you will like this one. Nice snowy day happening. Calming. So yeah, you can stream to this device from a mobile device if you just want a bigger display. Now that could be convenient in a portable or party-like setting where you want to, let other people just push their content out to a much bigger display. Currently, the assistant is Bixby. Play Unbox Therapy on YouTube. Home the RGB. Your tablet/laptop doesn't have a window. Does it? Yeah, so it's like a little object. It's a little device, so the speaker unit can't be enormous on there. Could you watch a movie? Yeah, I probably will hook up like a bigger speaker beside it for full immersion. But the beauty of this is you can sit really near it. Like it's kind of the same distance as you would want to sit from the display that you're projecting. So you're gonna be beside it anyhow. Actually, the more that I watch it, the louder it got in that particular edit. So maybe I should just play some music real quick just to be certain what we're dealing with over here. IMAX, hip hop, instrumental. Yeah, that's a little party. Yeah, I mean, you could have a little gathering. You could definitely put up a sporting event. You could put up a UFC fight or something using this, and it's gonna be a party. You can get 100-inch screen without even being that far away from the wall. So that's the other thing. You don't need an enormous space to get an enormous visual. So that's the beauty of it. Very portable. All right, now the other thing I need to mention is the beauty with the setup and the auto keystone and the auto focus. One of the fastest I've ever seen. You just point this thing at a wall. It does not have to be perfectly aligned. It figures everything out. I'll show you what I'm talking about. I'm just gonna, great. That's crazy. You better stop it. It's crazy. Often it can be a nightmare to set up a projector and get a nice frame. But with this auto keystone and auto focus, regardless of distance and angle, it's still capable of providing like an even horizon. You could shoot at the ceiling, lay in bed and do all that. Movie night, laying down, because you need to relax more. Mo just got real crazy, and this is how he likes to throw parties. He takes a projector and he takes it in a corner and then puts on some real visual, atmospheric type situations. And then you arrive at the party and you're like, oh, he's one of these guys. A dedicated waterproof case will be available. It is dark khaki in color. And most importantly, a dedicated battery pack will be available once you can purchase the device, so you can be completely mobile with it. It is the freestyle projector from Samsung. A new take, a new concept, big image, big screen, small package, big party, big Mo.